Hey guys, it's me JSHDIY. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all about how to make no glue shampoo slimes that you can make at home with any sort of shampoos you have in a bunch of different ways. Today's notification squad shoutouts go to Froggy Jules, Shayra Singh, and also Mary Haushis. I have seen a lot of comments from you guys telling me that I need to show you guys how to make a DIY metallic shampoo slime. So today I'm going to be doing just that. In a container of your choice, you need to add in some shampoo. Next, you need to grab some metallic powder and also some salt and add both of those in and mix them well until everything is combined. The salt is going to fully activate your shampoo into a nice, holdable, stretchy, thick slime. Once you're done, place your ball of slime into an airtight container and let this sit for 2 to 3 days to turn metallic and crystal clear. Video, I got a comment from one of you guys to check out this brand that makes these zero waste alternatives to shampoo. They said that everything from the shampoo to every single bit of the packaging was completely dissolvable by water. Also that the first ingredient on the ingredient list was polyvinyl, which is the ingredient and glue that makes slime. We're going to be checking this out right now, and I'm going to be seeing if we can possibly make slime with this dissolvable zero waste shampoo body wash. Starting off, the little sheet of shampoo just felt like a little piece of foam, and then the packaging was just like normal paper, but I just put everything inside of the water so we could start by dissolving it. Personally, I think this is really cool because there's absolutely no plastic waste, and also I love that this brand was super interesting. Also, sure enough, the very first ingredient on the ingredient list was polyvinyl. Starting off, I just wanted to dissolve everything, and then once everything was well dissolved and if I could get everything mixed, I thought we would add in some borax activator to see if this would turn into slime just like glue. After mixing for a bit, everything became very well dissolved and everything was fully melted. We made a little glass of some activator just with 1 tablespoon of borax to 1 cup of water, and when I mixed that in, it instantly started to form a slime. For some reason, it took a ton of mixing, and I was a little bit concerned that the shampoo that was actually in this was going to affect the outcome of our slime, but the more I mixed, the more the slime was starting to come together, but I ended up having to mix for about an hour before I finally got a consistent texture.
I'm trying.
After a lot of mixing the activator into our soap paper stuff, I got a slime that looked like this. It was pokeable, stretchable, and sure enough, this did make slime. Okay, so this past week there has been this shampoo slime recipe that has been floating around and it has become very popular, so we are going to be testing it out to see if it works. So basically for this recipe, all you need is shampoo, dish soap, and also baking soda. But there's a specific set of steps that you need to use to make this work, so I'm going to talk about that. Starting off, you need to add 2 parts of shampoo into your container, and then you need to add in 1 part dish soap, and then sprinkle some baking soda on top of both of those ingredients, except for you are not supposed to mix the dish soap and the shampoo together before you do this. But then once you have the baking soda and everything in, you can mix everything together and it will start to activate, but it will start to get a little bit melty as well. And then you can add whatever coloring or anything you want to add into your slime. But then after all of that, you need to let this sit until any air bubbles can take 2 to 3 days, and then after all of that, you need to put this in the fridge to cool for a couple of hours to a day. After all that, the shampoo and dish soap are supposed to be transformed into a non-sticky, holdable slime that you can play with. Instantly disappointed though, because when I poked it, my fingers were just stuck in the slime. It's kind of odd to me because the texture was gummier than a normal shampoo slime, so I almost thought that the fridge made it stickier. For some reason, I was feeling like the more it was warming up to the room temperature, the less sticky it was getting. So I decided to let it sit for a little bit to see if this was going to help once it was no longer cold from being in the fridge. This honestly did not help very much, and this was honestly a very confusing recipe because I was not expecting it to not turn out, and it just was so weird that it was so sticky but so gummy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new to my channel and you haven't already, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. If you guys would like to learn a little bit more about me and also just get behind the scenes updates on everything, you guys can follow my Instagram. It's JSHDIY. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys over on one of my videos up on the screen. Bye, guys.